Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. You're going to learn about setup payment method in this video. So the payment methods define the way you prefer for customer to pay you and how you like your vendors. I mean, the method can vary for each customer vendor. Example, typical payment methods are bank cash, check, or uh, an in account, or vice versa. So we go to Tell Me option and select payment methods. These are the listed payment methods, so we're going to choose the new one. So you need the code. You can say cash. Well, we have already got the cache there, so let me just walk and do that. We've deleted the cache, so we're going to start again. So press new, go for a new one. So let's say cash payment. And then obviously that can be balancing account, which balancing account you want to use, bank account or GL accounts, use GL accounts, and which balancing account you want to use. So let's say what we had, it was 78100 petty cash. You can check this or uncheck this to select whether it's going to be direct debit or not. I'm going to uncheck it. Obviously, the cash is not going to be a direct debit. It will be other payments from account, etc. Will be can be cash. Then you select your, if you're selecting direct debit, then you need to select the payment term, 10 days, 14 days, 1 month, 60 days, or calendar month. So now we got payment methods, so we can go to the customer and obviously you can select from there which payment methods you want to use for the customer, and same as vendor. So let's go to the customer's account, one of the customers 2000, free research. And payment options, you can only see the payment and code, but you can see you can do show more or show less. So that's the payment method. Which payment method you want to use. So you can select any of these from here, and according to that, the payment method will be adjusted. Let's see video account. Yep. So this is how you work with payment methods. Let's see what is the payment term code as well. Got it here. If you want to search about payment term, then you select payment term. That will take you to the page, to the payment term page. So that's the actual terms, which the code normally is 10 days, 14 days. I mean, you can put days or you can put months, or you can put calendar months as well. Due date calculation, it's according to that. If you want any discount and date calculation, you know, put any discounts. If customer want to pay you or vendor want to pay you, well, you want to pay to vendor and you get any discounts, you can put it there, the days, if you can do it before. And that's going to be the discount percentage. And that's where you calculate payment discount rate, or specify that a payment discount, cash discount, or cash discount date and due date are calculated on credit memos with these payment terms. And at last, you've got the description as well. If we go back to the customer, and you can see it's 14 days is available. Let's see, what code is it here? Oh, that's different. So they've selected that, and obviously payment percentage goes as 0. So this is how it works with payment terms and payment methods. Thanks for watching.